Floor cleaner is very much useful things in house. It is very simple in construction and easy to operate. The function of floor cleaner is to clean up the dirt and particles on the floor so that it does not make the floor dirty. The floor cleaning machine consists of two modes, which is automatic or manual. When the technology of floor cleaning machine is introduced, it always performs on two operations, sweeping and mopping. Other than that, chemical can be dangerous to human health and low efficiency. The purpose of this report is to design a machine to clean a dirty floor which is portable with minimum workforce and easy to operate. This project is basically an applicable solution for various layers of society in order to overcome hygienic problem, which is one of the major issues faced by our society. The design of this floor cleaning machine is expected to prevent any impurities on the floor that is left over after cleaning the floor. Why we still use human physical effort rather than modern technology like microcontroller or sensor. Nowadays, modern technology is the best, but we found out that it may cause a lot of problems when it comes in this situation. Human effort is more friendly use. From our research, different types of motions are involved. The process become very much complicated and need different algorithm for optimum movement of the system. Again, when different power sources are used and they have to be operated at different time, microcontroller is essential. Sometimes it will be some issues when microcontroller problem because of wet floor. Hi. So now I will talk about the design of our group. This is the design specification for our product. So, as you can see, there are two things that we need to achieve for our product. Firstly is customer requirement. From the data that we collect, there are things that we need to evaluate, which is size, weight, the time for the product to be installed, rigidity of material, sponge, easiness of a customer to adapt with handle, cost, and lastly storage capacity. We make our size smaller compared to the market available. For the weight also quite light, and the time to install take a little longer but certainly will worth the time. The material rigidity is strong enough for the resistance to breakage. We use a microfiber mop for our sponge and the handle is 90 degree. The cost is affordable and storage capacity is more than enough to store a cleaning solution. Secondly, things that we need to achieve in our product is the engineering characteristic. There are 8 characteristics, which are material toughness, lightweight, durable, large space, size, time taken needed for the mop to clean, rotation and the thickness. Mainly, I want to talk about the material that we used. It is a PVC, which is polyvinyl chloride. Why we use PVC? It is because PVC can be cut, shaped, and joined easily in a variety of styles. Beside than that, PVC's abrasion resistance, lightweight, good mechanical strength and toughness are key technical advantages for its use in building and construction applications. In conclusion, PVC is the best material for our product. Now I will talk about the steps on how to operate our machines. Firstly, put in the solution that you always used to mop, such as mop's cleaning solution. Secondly, turn on the switch. For the last steps, let our machine do its things by cleaning the dirt and particles. It only takes 3 steps and it is very easy to use. All variety of customer can use our product, from young to old, men or women. Now I will explain more detail one by one each component we used in our project. First component we used is 0.5 diameter PVC pipe. For your information, our main body of our project, most of it we use PVC pipe. Why we choose PVC pipe? Because as we know, PVC material is safe material, lightweight and most important, inexpensive. We can save lot of our budget if we use PVC. The second component is bracket motor. Function of bracket motor is to hang the motor to main body, since we don't use any welding machine to make a joint because our main body is PVC pipe. The third is bracket tire. We also have a bracket tire that we installed only at the front tire. Then, we also have a microfiber brush mop that installed at the peak of the motor. Once the motor is switched on, the motor will rotate for cleaning process. Next, we also have a container. In this container we filled it with some detergent and water for a cleaning process. The sixth component is we also used a rubber hand grip. We choose rubber than sponge because rubber is a long-lasting product than the sponge. The seventh component is we have motor to rotates our brush mop. Then, we have T-joint PVC pipe. We use T-joint as a connector between lower body part and upper body part. The last component is tire. In our project we only applied 3 tires, which are 1 at the front and 2 rears tire. Last but not least, this is our full assemble of our components that I explained just now. As you can see, this is tire, 2 rears tire, 1 front tire with bracket. Then this is our T-joint connector between lower body part and upper body part. This is our container that filled with detergent and water. Once they come out from the bottom part, the mop will rotates to clean the floor. This is our rubber hand grip. We use 2 grip for both right and left hand. For cost product, we spent about 150 ringgit for product components like PVC pipe, rubber handle, 2 meter plastic tube, microfiber mop head, 2 swivel caster wheel and brush motor. Next, for labor and design cost consist of fabrication, assemble product, and product testing. About 191 ringgit had been provided for this process. For packaging cost, we spent about 16 ringgit per product to make sure product safe from damage during shipping and export, so that we can conclude that total cost of this product will be about 357 ringgit. I will explain about the simulation process. This part consists of 4 movement part. First part is handle. This handle function to control the machine. This handle made by soft leather handles engineered for max grabbing comfort. Second part is tire. There are 2 tire that can move only in linear direction and 1 tire, front tire, with 360 rotatable that can move to any direction. Third part is mop, 360 rotatable mop holder with power spinner. The spin rotated by 12 volt 22 rate per minute brushed DC motor. Fourth part is feed water tap adapter that control the water flow. It can switch open and close. This water adapter function to spray water or detergent to the floor. For 3D rendering, real time 3D rendering that display results instantly and reduce the time to create realistic product visuals. This show the combination of the component and between element in simulation. The central idea of this simulation is to mapping between the virtual design and the real-world activity. The apps that has been used to create this simulation is Keisha V5R21, Keisha 6.0 Pro and Shotcut for editing video. So, click on the link to watch the video.
10, 9, 8, 7,